Gold and silver prices seem to have caught a bounce today on December 21st, 2012, supposedly the end of the world according to the mainstream media. So, seeing that the world did not end, let's move forward with our end of the world gold and silver analysis. So, I've quickly put together a bunch of links that completely explain why the metals are selling off right now. So, we'll start with public statements, for instance, Morgan Stanley and Citigroup recommending that investors pull out money from Paulson's funds after horrible performances both in 2011 and 2012. So Paulson's fund amounts 30.6% of his holdings is in GLD, so some forced liquidations of this fund can be seen as a reason for the latest drop in silver and gold prices. We also have a big correction for gold and silver. This is a great Forbes article noting strong US GDP and housing data, the end of the year liquidation, and technical factors, which are all cited as factors behind the sell off of precious metals. So you can find the sources here. I'll put the link below. And third, bracing for gold's short-term corrections. Gold prices reacted negatively in the latest US GDP data. US real GDP growth grew at an annual pace of 3.1% in Q3, faster than economists' estimates of 2.8%. We also have residential investment and existing home sales as being factors for this gold correction. And then down here we have the gold correction continues as gold drops below 200-day moving average. And I also have a quick plug for my Jim Rogers quote of how he's saying that a further correction is very likely related to year-end tax-related selling, fund liquidation, and short-term rebound in the European confidence. So the article I'm referring to is this one here, Jim Rogers warns of gold correction. You can find this on the second row of articles here on dailysilverupdate.com. I'd also like to note one more time, since I've been getting a lot of messages for this. This is the Mythical Creatures coin that's getting released on January 2nd. It's going to sell out almost immediately after being sold. And so yeah, if you're interested in this coin, then come here. There's a bunch of information here on the coin release and how to make sure that you get this at the best price. So that's basically the gold and silver update for today. We have another article here, Bullion Analysis, the 2013 Chinese Panda. So this is the design for the 2013 Chinese Panda. I think this coin should do absolutely amazing in 2013, especially if you buy it now while prices remain low. I'm actually personally looking at making a purchase of these coins. I still haven't decided where I'm going to buy them from, but as I state in this blog post, if you look back on the APMEX page for Chinese pandas, you can see that 2013 is $39, 2012 $44, 2011 $52. So as you can see, as the years march on, the older designs get this added semi-numismatic premium to them that grows over time regardless of the silver price. So if silver goes up, silver goes down, this massive premium over spot is going to remain on these coins just because of their semi-numismatic premium. So that's why I'm recommending to all my subscribers, go ahead and pick up this coin while it's still available at these fire sale prices. I also have a video down here of the Chinese 1 ounce silver panda mintage about how it's absolutely exploded 1233% since 2010. In 2010, we had a mintage of 60,000 coins, and just the next year, 2011, they pushed it to 6 million, and 2012, they reached it at 8 million. So apparently the 2013 coin is going to be in at 8 million as well, and this might seem like a lot compared to down here when we used to be having 600,000, but if you compare the 8 million Chinese pandas to the ridiculous amount of Canadian Maple Leafs or American Eagles that are minted every year, this $6 over spot, I believe it's $6 over spot that they're asking, is well worth it just because of what I said before, the growing numismatic premium and the fact that the coin design changes every year, so it's a new numismatic play every single year. And finally, the fact that the mintage is so much less than the other coins, such as the maple leaf and the eagle. So guys, all this information can be found on dailysilverupdate.com. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think of the gold and silver price action on today, the day that the world ended.